Focus on net growth rather than on absolute top line growth. So I think a lot of businesses get hung up on driving that acquisition number rather than looking at what's also going out the back end. I think when you look at net growth by taking what's coming in at the top and what's going out at the bottom, it takes a very, very different view of the business and of acquisition overall.
Consider more than just in-year profit, but to actually really focus on the metrics around customer engagement. So that might be attrition, that might be level of do not mail after each programme, and to actually look at the level and type of complaint and the resolution of that around any tactical marketing programme that's been run and aggregating that up.
Focus on quality. So again, kind of, I think, it's too much is focused on quantity because you have to hit your numbers. So flipping that and actually understanding the value of the customers that you want to seek.
We need to balance the amount of volume that we're trying to drive, but ultimately we want to be ensuring that the quality that comes in is right for the brand and ensures that future marketing investment therefore isn't wasted on potentially the wrong customers.
It has to be with value at heart, with the value that matters to the business. Too many businesses still stick around that we've got to reach a threshold. We've got to have, if I went to someone and said you can have half as many customers but they'll stay 3 times as long, most businesses would go in year. Blimey, I've got to stick. I need that many customers.
The ability to define the customers you actually want and then use the database that you have to just understand what value that customer has to you as a brand is key.
Businesses recognising in this day and age that sales and marketing need to be far closer together. They need to recognise that when you sell a product, that's an experience that is influenced by pre-sales and will influence post-sale.
One thing I think most businesses aren't particularly good at is managing the leads and the prospects that they do have. So you do all the good work on the marketing side of things or whatever to raise the awareness and get them into a state where they're maybe contacting you and you're starting that engagement process, and then we don't call them back, or we don't use that lead, or we forget to do this, or we forget to do that.
You have to be willing to rejig the business and the economics of the business to make it really work for you. And that's a board level decision about how they go about using data and acquisition in an intelligent way, not a marketing level decision.